All right, friends and students, we are discussing today about simulation software in which we can program as well as we can operate a microcontroller board, right? So we are using a microcontroller board that is Raspberry Pi Pico, and we are programming the same microcontroller board with Arduino C program. Okay, so left hand side you can see here there is a program. We have taken 3 LEDs. The first of all, what is the name of the project? It's a traffic light signal control. Okay, simple projects. School children can also do it. Simple projects. You can see this is the codes for the on the left hand side, and this is the diagram of this. Okay, so I will just show you how it works. This is the Walkme software. Please remember, everybody, it's an open source software. You can log in and you can use this software. So I'm just resuming the simulation. It's a simulation software. So I'm resuming the simulation, see how the light comes on. So please remember, we have to change the timing here. You can see here on the left hand side, we can change the timing, what timing it should be on, and delay time, we call it as, we can off, right? So traffic light, but what interval time it will, which light will come, that all things you can decide or you can do it from here. This is a simple simulation. I just trying to show it to you. So this is one of the projects what you can do for the beginners. Okay, these are the beginning projects. But what board we have used, what microcontroller board we have used? We have used Raspberry Pi Pico, and program we have done it with C program. Okay, that is Arduino on the, you can do that program on Arduino IDE. All right, in this second project, that is how to connect a Raspberry Pi Pico, right, to a 16x2 LCD. Okay, 16x2 LCD, that is 16 characters into 2 multiplied by 2. There are 2 rows. Okay, so that is the simple program we have to take. You have to understand first. That is hello world. This is the simple program on that. That is we have used liquid crystal library. These are the pins where what pins we have utilized. We have already said that 16 into 2. And what we are writing? We are writing hello world. We can change this hello world also. The same thing, it will come over here, right? And what board? Pico board, right? Delay time is 1 second. So I will just try to show it to you with the simulation software. These are the pins where how the connection has been done. You can check it out. Okay. So you can see the connection continuously. It is coming. I have started the simulation. Same Walkme simulation using Raspberry Pi Pico board and 16 into 2 LCD display, that is a black and white display with C program. On what IDE you can do it? You can do it on Arduino IDE. So this is the second program. I just wanted to show it to you. All I want that you should learn and you should study and you should work on it, because it is a real time, this thing. If you don't have the boards and this thing, when you see the software, immediately you can connect, or rather you can learn or bring the boards and all and give the connection, and the same codes you can load and it will start, starts working. All right, in this you can see I've connected the same board, and I've connected a buzzer. You can probably you can listen to the music, that buzzer sound, simple connection. These are the how the connection has been given, same program. Please remember, but what is the program? This is program, please remember this program, that is in MicroPython. Previously, we have seen program in C, but this program is in MicroPython. That's why it is given main PY program. Okay, so you please remember this particular program. We can do it on Thorny IDE. We can just copy and paste and do it on a Thorny IDE. But these are the pins connection, very simple. These are very basic. Okay, very basic. The only thing is piezo speaker. These are the 2 libraries we have shown here in this, and as a speaker output pin is 15, and on off, what is the time? Sleep time is nothing but the delay time, what we call it as here. Okay, so these are the circuit, and this it is in MicroPython code. Okay, Python codes. So you have to understand this particular circuit. Why I'm telling all today, I'm telling you all about the Raspberry Pi Pico boards with C as well as with MicroPython. All right. So you can see in this picture right on the right hand side, this project is how to connect a stepper motor to an Arduino, not the Arduino, it's a Raspberry Pi Pico board. Okay. So you can see here on the left hand side, there is a Pico board. Pico board connection has been given to a motor control. Okay. This is the motor control. Okay. From motor control, it is going to the motor. So I will just simulate it. You can see it is going to the different degrees, how it is moving around from 0 up and down. It is coming. So we can program it. You can see on the left hand side. Please remember again, this is the program is in C. That is, you can do it in Arduino IDE. Okay. So define DIR pin 2, stepper motor pin 3. So you have to define it and you have to give the complete detail up to what angle it has to go, high and low angles, and at what time it should be coming back. What should the delay time? Everything it has been given over there. Okay. So this is the simulation. That is walkthrough simulation, where we are checking how to use a Raspberry Pi Pico board which will be driving your stepper motor with the help of C program. That is nothing but you can program it in Arduino IDE, right? So why I'm telling you why? Because you can, by watching this same program, you can copy, you can do it in real time, and you can get the success. So these are the simple programs. All right, friends. So here you can see the same walkthrough. Again, we are discussing a simple piano, right? We can call it as a mini piano with the same board, that is a Raspberry Pi Pico board. Today we are discussing only on Raspberry Pi Pico. Why it is important? Why? Because it's a very cheap and very good microcontroller board available for you. So this is a simple piano circuit. On the left hand side, you can see again, you have codes written in C. Okay. So what are the different pins we have connected? We have connected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 buttons to it. Okay. And it has been given, and there is a buzzer or speaker you can connect. It is just given the complete this thing. There are in the beginning, there is a picture.h library you have to download. First of all, that is include the library and the speaker pin you have to indicate. So I will just run the simulator. Okay. It is in C only. Please remember, I will just run the simulator. It will just, the simulator is running unless I don't press. Suppose I'm pressing this button, red color. Okay. Right. So green color. Can you see you just the different frequencies of sound? You can just make it out. Right. So these are the different type of music, frequency of music you can generate from this particular project. Okay. It's a good project for science students, for school students, or higher secondary students. Of course, you can do this engineering project. You can implement this same project in with the help in other projects also. What we have to understand, we are using a Raspberry Pi Pico board and that too with the C program. Please remember, Raspberry Pi Pico can work on both. What both? It can work on with C also, can work with MicroPython also. So Walkthrough is a very good software. It's an open source software. You can log in with complete your details, and you can try this particular software. That is the idea. Okay. So one more project based with SSD 1306 LCD. This is a small, this LCD you can see here. That is, the number is SSD 1306. Okay. So we have connected this LCD to the Pico, and we are counting the numbers, the timer. Okay. So this is the timer program. Please remember, this is your MicroPython program. Please remember, here on the corner on left hand side, it is written main.py. Wherever you see .py, then it is a compulsory Python program, or it can be a MicroPython program. So the Raspberry Pi Pico connected to SSD 1306 OLED display, and the program is MicroPython. The software is Walkvi. It is a simulation software on which we are using this particular software. We are trying to understand. Okay, so left hand side, it has given what are the different type of libraries are there in the beginning, and you have 128 into 64 the pixels rate of this particular SSD display, and what is to be displayed, everything is will be given on there. The timing has to change, so we are using a timer circuit, and it is this program is written in MicroPython. Please remember this. Okay, so I'm just stopping it, and just to give you the idea again, and I will just put it, reverse it, and I will just put it back again. I will start it again so that you can understand. Okay, so it started again. You can see it started again. And what are the connection, how it is, the timings are changing over here. That is the simple display. So likewise, the purpose of telling you all these things is you have to learn with the help of simulation software. There are other simulation software also. Probably I will make some videos on that also, and I will try to show it to you. Once you see the simulation software, it will be very, very convenient for you to assemble the complete thing and load the program. If it is C, you please use Arduino IDE. If it is MicroPython, please use Thorny IDE. You can check my videos. I've already told you we have done some project based on that, and you can do it very simply. You can do it with the Thorny IDE using MicroPython. Okay, I hope you understood all these projects what I have tried to show you. Okay, it's our ready-made project. You can also check it